What is up, Matuire fam? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matuire and I own a 2018 BMW M3. Damn, why my shit blowing up right now? Oh, my bad, y'all. My phone was going crazy just now because I had just posted my YouTube video. It was scheduled to post at 9 o'clock and I completely forgot. But it's the new Weekend in LA Beamer Invasion video. Go watch that shit right now. If you're watching this video, go watch my last video. But it is the week after Beamer Invasion. It's currently Tuesday right now. I took off of work just because I kind of wanted to relax after the long weekend. I got some stuff that I wanted to take care of here at the house and also on the car. But speaking of Beamer Invasion, thank you for everyone that came up to me, said what's up. It was nice meeting a lot of you guys. Now there was a handful of you guys that I didn't get to meet just simply because I actually left the show pretty early, like midway through. I want to say it was around like 1 o'clock just because it was super hot. If any of you guys went to Beamer Invasion, you guys know that it was like uncomfortably hot. And I had my family out there, you know, my kids, and they were super uncomfortable. Even underneath the booth, it was still really hot. So I wanted to get them out of there, took them back to the hotel, relaxed a little bit, and then came back towards the end of the show around like 4 or 5 o'clock. By that time, everyone was already packing up because from my understanding, the show did end a little earlier than the previous year just because once again, everybody was hot as hell. But thank you for all the supporters that I did have out there come up to me, take pictures of my car and tag me on Instagram. I really do appreciate it. It's always nice meeting you guys in person. And also I did want to give a huge shout out to Souvenir Motorsports. I was actually a booth car at the Souvenir booth and that was my first time ever being a booth car at any car show. So I want to thank them for the opportunity, and even while I was there, for their hospitality. Those are super solid people. In my past experience, Souvenir has had some of the best customer service. When I got my GTS style hood for my 340, it actually showed up bent, and they actually allowed me to go to a body shop of my choosing and they paid for that hood to get repaired. So I always have much love for Souvenir. Thank you again for allowing me to be a booth car. But the show had a pretty good turnout. I mean, there was a lot of people there, a lot of vendors, and I actually picked up some golden wrench bling for my engine bay. Let me show y'all. So check me out now. So I got the windshield wiper fluid cap, I got the oil cap, coolant cap, and whatever the that is back there. But shout out to Golden Wrench. There were some really cool people, to be honest. Everyone at the booth was super friendly, gave us a good deal. I think it was like 15% off on all of their products. Even got a little air freshener from them. But like I said, it was a pretty good show. Unfortunately, I didn't spend like a whole lot of time in the VIP area, and I honestly missed all the events. There's a lot I gotta do today. I wanna wash the car, and honestly, y'all, I've been thinking about getting some new wheels. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all. But there is something that I want to change though. The caliper color. So for a long time, I liked it, you know, or I thought I liked it just because it was different. It was different from the stock blue. And it looked good at first, I'm not gonna lie. It was bright, it was bold, and it kind of stood out as a caliper. But I don't know if I want that. After seeing it in pictures and driving around with it, and especially after seeing it at Beamer Invasion, I'm not a huge fan of the yellow, and I don't want it on my car if I'm not a huge fan of it. So what I'm thinking about doing is getting the caliper paint match to the spoke sticker, or going with my original thought and just painting them black with like a red Brembo sticker just to have that little accent of red. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments, because honestly, I'm probably going to change them very soon. I'm not going to DIY it this time because last time I DIY'd it, it took me like the whole weekend, like 2 days. So I'll probably just take it to get it hydro dipped, because obviously they have special acid or whatever they have to kind of strip off that paint, and then they can just hydro dip it and paint match it exactly to the spoke sticker. Because honestly, if I bought like some spray can red, it would probably be a dark red, and the spoke sticker is actually more of like a very bright red, and I would hate to have a bright red spoke sticker with like a dark red caliper. It just wouldn't go at all. But I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of miss my 666M wheels sometimes. Look at this, I'm over here neglecting them. I got freaking garden tools on it. Like, damn. But they still look as beautiful as ever. Originally, I was gonna sell those wheels and actually buy a different mod for the car. But honestly, I don't know, I just can't let them go. That's actually why I bought this. So this is actually one of those wheel mount holders that you like bolt to the wall. I'll probably end up bolting it over there, so that way I can hang up those wheels so they don't take up as much space. Because Lord knows my garage is already a hot mess. Honestly, I love washing my car in the morning at my house because the sun is rising over there. So up until like noon, I always have a shaded driveway. So I never really have to worry about water spots or the sun drying my car too fast. Car is nice and clean now. Super shiny. TEs, hella shiny. What y'all think about this souvenir sticker? I had to put it on for Beamer Invasion, but I don't know. I kind of mess with it. As of right now, I'm just out and about. Like I said, I probably will either drive by wherever I'm going to get my calipers painted, or I'll probably just give them a call, because honestly, I live more like North Las Vegas, and they're like all the way down South Las Vegas, like 35 minutes away. I don't think it's worth driving all the way over there just for a quote. Yeah, but I'm legit thinking about getting a new steering wheel. This one's been great, and I love the shift lights and everything. But honestly, I might end up going with one of the detachable JQ Works steering wheels. Those things look sick. I don't know if you guys ever seen them, but pretty much there is no airbag and they have little buttons. I think it looks sick. Like I said, I love the look of this steering wheel, but honestly, I just want to be able to take off my steering wheel. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So I'm trying to do some research on where to go to get my calipers hydro dipped. I've been hearing a lot of good things about Dipped Auto Works here in Las Vegas. I don't know if you guys are familiar. They have good reviews. I might just give them a call real quick just to see.
Dipped Auto, how can I help you?
Hey, how you doing, sir? I just had a quick question for you. As far as your guys' caliper like painting, what's the turnaround time on you guys like getting a vehicle in and out of there?
If we get it in the morning, we can get it back to the end of the day.
Oh, dang, same day?
Get it back to you around 6.
Okay, cool, for sure. And then how much do you guys charge for all 4 calipers?
For just painting it, it'd be $400. If you want it wrapped, it's about $350.
For sure. I appreciate the information, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Cool.
You too. Thank you. Alright, so there you have it. I already know y'all about to come for me in the comments. Why are you saying sir? It's the military in me, man. I'm like bred to say sir, ma'am, whatever. But you heard the man. They said that they can do same day turnaround, which is kind of crazy, honestly. I mean, same day turnaround is pretty dope because let's be real. If I did that at the crib, it would not be same day turnaround. I like your car, bro. Looks good. So there's really not a whole lot going on right now. So I'm probably about to head back to the crib. There is a meet going on tonight. Usually these things are like hit or miss here in Vegas, so I'll probably try to pop out to that if I can and see what's going on. So it looks like they're the same. Hey, brother. Hey. All right, so people are still showing up. So far we got some Hondas over here, more Hondas. We got an E46 right here. There's actually a 5 Series back there, it looks like. Got some Beamers over here. What's going on? What's going on? Nice to meet you, Antonio. This yours, E46? Okay, okay. It's clean, bro. I just saw some Beamers over here, man. I was like, Beamers, we gotta stick together, man. Yeah, man. I was like, where the Beamers at, man? Damn. Definitely got a lot of Corvettes here. Got a couple C7s, C6. Got another Beamer right there. Homeboy came up popping, pop locking. And there's my lonely F80. Got some Porsches showing up now. Damn. Red one's clean. GT3, 2 of them. Not 1, but 2 GT3s. Got the Hail Kitties. Sounds insane, man. Damn, I need a GT3 in my life. I don't even need the GT3 RS. I just need a GT3. Got the classic Supra, Mark 5. Always clean. I will say though, I'm probably the only BMW that doesn't like burbles and pops, so I don't have any burbles and pops.
This right here is a car I want, but she won't let me get one.
Well, why not?
Oh. God damn.
I appreciate it, man. I had met homeboy at the last meet. He just got his 340 not too long ago. It always means a lot when you guys come up to me and tell me that I'm the reason why you got your 340 or I inspired you or whatever the case is. I really do appreciate it. So I'm not gonna lie, I am a little, damn, it zoomed in my face. I'm a little surprised with the turnout. You know, like I said, usually these things are hit or miss, but this one wasn't too bad, to be honest, man. I'm probably not gonna stick around too much longer because I do got work in the morning. It's already like 10:45, so I'm out to this.
I need you, all you need.